If you're pressed for time, listen. Highlight the thought bubble clip on your timeline, make it a compound clip, and then drag that compound clip into your vertical project, and it will let you size and fit it to where you need it to go. Go, get back to editing. If you need a little more detailed explanation, stick around. I'm gonna explain it right now pretty quickly. Hi, I'm Preston with Comfort Video, and I'm gonna show you how to fix that annoying little thought bubble problem when you're editing in vertical mode. If you've experienced this issue, then you know that the thought bubble effect will not show up in vertical mode. All right, so let's get to it. So I created this little phony project of me acting surprised, and I just want the thought bubbles to show up where I say, oh snap, right? Easy enough. Well, now I want to make it vertical, but when I do that, I show up, there's me, but where is the thought bubble effect? It's not there. Okay, so I mess around with a couple things and I blow this up and whatnot, and no, there it is. But like, what do I do with that? It's not working. Dope. Maybe this will work. Nope. Okay. Well, here's what you do. So go back to your main project, just highlight that vertical clip and make a compound clip. Boom. Drop that compound clip onto your vertical project. Blow that baby up. Gonna blow this up too. And voila. Then you can position it how you want. Put it about right there. That'll work. So there you have it. Quick little rudimentary fix on how to get the thought bubbles to show up in vertical. And of course that'll work if it's a speech bubble, a thought bubble, or whatever bubble. It's gonna fix it. All right, good luck.